not to look at the sign.
Yes, Mama.
That's better. Sex them up! If I told you once, I've told you 100,000 times. I cannot have you playing these foolish games and running around in the halls. It just isn't dignified. We are the rulers of this kingdom. And if we don't set a proper example for the court, I'd like to know who will. I mean, what is the point of being a ruler if one isn't going to behave as a ruler should? Mama, now what?
Mama, I was wondering, when am I going to get my present?
Doubtless, I don't want to discuss this now. It's time for your cocoa.
All right, but sometimes I get this really funny little feeling that you don't want me to get married.
Don't want you to get married? Don't want you to get married. Don't you trust me? Well, of course I do. How can you say such a thing? I want you to get married, of course I want you to get married. Just this morning I was saying to your father, I said, Septimus, I want this boy to get married. This isn't normal for a boy to be single. I mean, he is a priest. What do you say?
With me.
Thank you. I mean, he is a priest, after all. He's next line to the throne. I mean, if we're exactly the oldest people in the kingdom, but we are going to be married. I know, I feel much better, much easier, much more relaxed at this point. We're married and starting to sex. And that's exactly verbatim what I said to him this morning. Only he didn't say anything. He never does. I don't need to tell you how impossible he is. But that's my cause of pain. I want to affect the way you feel about him or me. If he makes me miserable and makes me suffer, I will just have to put up with it. I will not have